kay Congressman Paolo Duterte. So you mean, sir, that the President, hindi ganun kaseryoso si President or hindi ganun kasolid yung sinabi ni President Duterte before that he's not going to support?
Ginagawa nyo na naman ang kwento. Ang isang tao, yung mga, alam mo yung mga tanong yan, ha? Anyway, ang isang tao, pag nagsalita ng isang bagay, seryoso yun. Unless there are circumstances that will compel him to alter his stand. So hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga kalakaran na maaari magpabago sa isip ni Presidente. Sa ngayon, iyon ang sinabi niya. Hindi pa natin alam kung anong kahinatnan.
Kasi sir, yung statement before ni President Duterte, ayaw niya na maging House Speaker pa si Pulong Duterte kasi there are so
Wala
many
pa naman. Di
Dutertes
pa naman nga
already in
naging
the
speaker. Nag-announce pa lang eh.
government. Oo nga.
Oh.
Okay, Tina.
Kung siguro pag speaker na siya,
Mr. Kasi ang sabi po ni President Duterte, kailangan sabihin sa kanya ni Pulong 3 days before announcing kung gusto niya tumakbo for House Speakership at magre-resign si President Duterte. You mean, sir, there's a possibility the President would support?
o hindi tanungin natin si Presidente. Let's ask him para maliwanag. Para wala na tayong speculation. Kasi puro speculation tayo. I'll ask the person himself.
Okay, last
Para
two.
sigurado.
Tina and then Jinky.
So, sir, there is nothing wrong kung si Congressman Pulong will become Speaker.
Aba, hindi
At
ba
the same time.
every person has the right to any position if he's qualified and if he's elected. Yeah,
So, he's okay to run for speakership.
you cannot prevent people naman from running. Now, it's between the father and the son. Ibang usapan na yun. Pero as a general principle, if you're qualified to run, then you can run.